It's the second day of turkey season. We got Anthony out here. He drove all the way down to try to shoot turkey.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to do that. We're at a different place than I was yesterday. Yesterday I was on public land and got yelled at by some dude, so I figured maybe I should just get out of there, because I don't know. He kind of seemed like the type of guy that would shoot you. I got out of there. We're at a different place. There's always turkeys here. Hopefully they play along and gobble. Hopefully Anthony can shoot one. Anthony shot his first turkey here last year. So we'll see what happens. It's a cold morning, but it's clear skies. No wind. Roosters are already crowing. It should be a good morning. I know exactly where they're at. You can see it, even through the tape. Through the tape. This is awesome. Remember to shoot him in the neck, not the head. That's a Jake. Yelping, yeah. So the bird swung around to where we were originally going to set up. So we had to make a huge loop to get around here. And we're set up where we think they're going to come in the woods. I hit it a minute ago and they gobbled. But I think I can hear them drumming right here. Did you get him? Run up there.
Yeah, I got him.
You got him, buddy? Good job, dude. That's awesome. Yes. My leg's asleep. I think. Yes.
He was a big bird.
Oh.
Oh, dude, I swung. I thought he was gonna move, but he didn't. I dropped him.
I thought I saw his wing kick up, but the way you jumped up scared me. I was like, oh man, he's running off. Yes. That's awesome. Remember you said, can I move? And I said, well, let me see where they're at. And I called them, they were right there.
We were covered in birds this morning.
Covered. Congrats.
Let's go.
Hey, right here, man. That's awesome.
Oh, look at the hooks. Dude. He's got hooks.
That's your first long beard, ain't it?
My first long beard. It's one that I will never forget.
Yeah, that was about as... That's as good of a turkey hunt as you can really get, ain't it? That was crazy.
That was awesome, dude. That was awesome.
Oh my god.
Dude. Oh, dude, that feeling when they just gobble right there. I was like, oh my god.
I know, your heart just comes out of your mouth, don't it?
What do you think? 10 or 15 different turkeys gobbling this morning? I mean, there was a lot.
I don't know. There was a lot. I don't know if there was that many, but there was a lot.
He's so pretty.
But the funny thing is we were going to set up in this corner, and we went to where they were gobbling, and then they went to the corner. Dad'll like that one.
Your dad's
because he told us where to go.
He's like, go there. They're. Well, you want to tell the story?
Well, this is my buddy Anthony. He
Yeah.
came down last night, and we tried to roost some turkeys. We didn't roost any turkeys, kind of typical. But we came out this morning, we heard one bird. It was kind of a good ways off. We heard a farm turkey, and then I owl hooted, and then 4, 5, 6, however many was in
Yeah, there
that
was a
group started
bunch.
gobbling. And the corner that we were originally going to set up in is on the complete other side of the farm. And we set up on these turkeys, and they got by us and went straight to where we were going to set up. So then we made a really long walk
Huge
around to come up and get in the woods, just on the inside of the woods from the field where they were hanging out at. And I'm pretty sure they just lost their hens.
Yeah.
You're shaking, aren't
Dude,
you?
I'm shaking. They were probably, what, it was 15, 20 minutes of them just strutting out there back and forth.
Every bit of it. They didn't gobble much at all, and then just here 30 minutes ago they were gobbling on their own, just hammering. But
I don't know, what time is it?
I don't know. But I think something that really helped get the turkeys to come into the woods was I called to them, but I wasn't
You scratch.
calling to them. I was just making turkey noises. Like the pet turkeys that I have at home, they make noises all the time when they're eating. So I just scratch in the ground like little poppy purrs. And they could hear that. They gobbled at it. Did you hear them gobble at it?
Yeah.
And it sounds like they wouldn't even be able to hear it, but they can hear it. So they know there's a turkey there, and I think it aggravates them when I'm not yelping at them. But I yelped at them to try to find out where they were.
And they were
Because
right,
Anthony wanted to move.
They were right on top
and
of
they
us.
were, and then when they got, I saw him after that. I was like, oh my gosh, he's right there. And I saw his fan, and I was like, can you not shoot him? And I was like, why haven't you shot him?
But
Did you not see him until you shot him?
I saw his head. I just started seeing his head, and there was a little bit of brush in my way, so I swung on him. He didn't move, and then I shot him.
So he didn't even see you?
No, never saw me. That is awesome.
That is
Thank you.
Awesome.
Well, we're tagged out in Ohio. I am. Now it's his turn.
That was crazy. We might go shoot another one.
He just shot one in Kentucky last week. Now you gotta finish your Ohio, and so you can go kill another one in Kentucky, right?
That's the plan.
That's the goal, at least.
Well, Anthony got one. We're gonna try to get me one. We're gonna try to find me one. But that's gonna wrap up Anthony's hunt. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah, it was awesome.
You gonna come back next year?
I'm gonna come back every year, as long as you keep inviting me.
You'd come back tomorrow if you could, wouldn't you?
I would.
So that's gonna wrap up Anthony's. And we're gonna go try to find another one. Are you kidding? Are you kidding, Anthony? What? What just happened? What just happened? What a dick! Oh my gosh! Holy crap!
Oh my god!
Holy crap! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, did you get on video?
I think.
Okay, so this is what just happened. Because we weren't even videoing, were you? Like,
I got.
what was all going down?
So I videoed some on my phone,
Okay, so this is what
and
happened.
then I videoed where we were right here.
First of all, we're running out of battery on the camera, but Anthony shot a bird. I heard one yelping out here, so I started yelping at it, and one gobbled. And I belly crawled like 150 yards and got to like 80 yards. And I would cut at him to get him to gobble so I could crawl another 10 feet. While that was happening, this guy was gobbling way over there. So while I was going up to him, all of a sudden this turkey gobbled at like 80 yards. And I was like, man, but I was still messing with that one. That one saw us and went in the woods. And I said, I wonder what that turkey's doing. I wonder where he's going. Because it was obvious he was coming over here. So I owl hooted, and the turkey gobbled 45 yards from us. And I said, get in here. And we got in there up against the fence, and I could hear him banging up against the fence trying to cross it. And I said, he's trying to cross the fence, Anthony. Get the camera on. And I hear, and I look, and he's 20 yards on the other side of the fence, strutting. I was like, oh, he definitely just saw me. The turkey crosses the fence and walks out into the field. I say, he's coming right here. I couldn't believe it. I got my gun up. He went behind a tree. And he stepped out and I waylaid him. Me and Anthony just doubled.
That's just literally laying right there for where I dropped it.
This is where we were standing when I owl hooted. I go, and he, right there. It's 40 yards. We're lucky he didn't come down that one.
He would have saw my vest and freaked out.
But there must be a hole in the fence right there. Because he was coming on the calling.
Dude.
He was coming.
Let's go check him out. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Dude, double.
I mean, you couldn't draw it up any better than that, could you?
No. We were playing it aggressive and it worked out in our favor.
Yeah, I told Anthony, I said, I don't recommend doing this, but we ain't got much time. Looks like I shot some of his beard.
It did look like that.
Put it on his head. That's insane. I mean.
That is awesome, dude.
Well, guys, we're out of battery in the camera, but thanks for watching. If you like turkey hunting, just subscribe to the YouTube. As you can see, some crazy stuff goes down. We like to video it so we can watch it for every year after we do it, or every day. So if you guys like turkey hunting, you can follow along.
This is one we'll never forget. Another one just
bird
gobbled.
Oh,
Well, we don't need him anyway. This one will taste better.
All right.
I tenderized him at about 20 yards.